So the last thing that's part of the FRAP lab is you want to shut things down properly. So the first thing you're going to want to do is turn off the laser here. Make sure that your lamp is also off. And then you don't want to leave a sample in for the next person, so make sure you take that out. You can put that in your aluminum foil over here. And you want to get rid of that at the end of the lab, so take that out. You're going to put the cover back on the box. And over here, you will save this file, so hit Control S, make sure you're all saved. And then you can quit MATLAB, so close all the MATLAB windows. At this point, you want to make sure you've got your Excel file here, and you've got your Word file. You want to get these off on a thumb drive so that you've got your data, which you're going to use for your write-up. And once you've done that, the next thing that you need to do is you need to unplug the FireWire cable. If you don't unplug the FireWire cable, the computer will not shut down properly. It will just keep restarting. So just pull that guy out, and you can leave it somewhere over back by the end of the computer for the next people to use. And then, the standard, shut down the computer, and wait for the computer to shut down. And as soon as the computer is shut down, then the last thing you do, and please do wait for the computer to shut down, is to turn off the power strip. And at this point, everything should be good. If you might close any shutter switches to make sure the shutter remains closed. And you're done. Put the top back on the box, please. And that's the end of the lab.